Good morning, children. Now let us start Unit 4 in English. The name of the lesson is On the Way to the Countryside. So, Ria and her family going to a village which was near the countryside. Now they are going in an aeroplane, and let us see what will happen in the lesson. Now, the girl's name is Ria and her parents, mom and dad. You can see in the picture, children. And this girl is going on her first trip to a village with her parents. She is excited. They are presently on an aeroplane. Ria looks through the window of the plane. You can see here in the picture. Now, when are we going to reach the village, Ma? We have only just got on the plane, dear. And when she was looking near through the window, she asked her father, "Is that a village?" "No, Ria, that's not a village, that's a city. A village does not have such tall buildings." Now they are on a train. Ria sees a lot of huts through the window. "That must be a village, it has got huts." "That's just a fishing town," said her father. "Ria, why don't you try some delicious laddus we've got here?" Now after some time they are on a train and she asked, "Village, Mummy?" "Not yet, but look through the view, it's so beautiful." And Ria, that's enough. Ria and her parents have finally reached the village. Ria looks down sad because her mother yelled at her. That means her mother shouted at her. "Now Ria, look at the village. We are at the village right now." And her mother said, "Dear, don't be so glum. Just look around." Ria looks up and is filled with immense joy. She is very happy that she is in her village, and her father told her to wish everyone and to be a good child. So this is a family that went to the village. They've used three means of transport: an aeroplane, a train, and also an auto. In order to reach the village, they went through an auto. So I hope I'm clear with the lesson, children. If you have any doubts, you can go through the lesson and read it well. Now let us learn some hard words of this lesson, children. Unit. First one is countryside. Next one aeroplane. Third one window. Fourth one village. Fifth one buildings. Sixth one fishing. Seventh one delicious. Eighth one beautiful. Ninth one immense. And the 10th one is occupation. Now let us learn some question answers of this unit, children. Where is Ria going on her first trip? Ria is going to a village on her first trip. What are the vehicles that Ria and her parents used during their travel? Ria and her parents use an aeroplane, a train, and an auto during their travel. What does Ria see when she looks out of the plane? Ria sees a city when she looks out of the plane. What does Ria's father offer her on the train? Ria's father offers laddus to her on the train. Fifth question. Who scolds Ria? Ria's mother scolds her. The sixth question. What is Ria looking for throughout the journey? Ria is looking for the village throughout the journey. Now next part of the unit that you have is poem, children. The poem's name is Modes of Transport. These are the question answers of that poem. What does a train carry? A train carries people and luggage. The second question. What goes zoom? The aeroplane goes zoom. How does the boatman row? The boatman rows to and fro. How does the speaker of the poem wave farewell? The speaker of the poem waves farewell with his cap. In which city can we find trains? We can find trains in Kolkata. Who follows the traffic rules? The driver follows the traffic rules. So these are the question answers that you have in the poem, children, and the lesson. You can go through the lesson once again and read the question answers and hard words with correct spellings and practice them well.